In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as your planner. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Trello.com. You'll land on the homepage where Trello highlights different ways to organize work and personal tasks. We're going to keep things simple and get a ready-made planning board up and running in just a few clicks. At the top of the page, click the Templates option in the navigation bar. This opens Trello's template gallery. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a proven structure you can customize instead of building everything from scratch. In the gallery, use the search bar and type Task Planner. This narrows the results to templates focused on productivity and daily planning, which is exactly what we need. From the results, choose the Daily Task Planner template. It's a clean, straightforward setup that shows what you need to do, what you're working on right now, and what you've completed. Perfect for staying focused without getting overwhelmed. On the template page, click Use Template. This creates your own copy of the board. You'll be able to edit anything you want without affecting the original template. Next, give your board a clear name so it's easy to find later, something like Daily Planner or Today's Tasks. Then choose a workspace. Think of a workspace like a folder where related boards live. Pick the workspace you use for personal planning or for your team, depending on your needs. Click Create to finish copying the template. Trello will open your new board with preset lists, typically labeled to do, doing, and done. This simple flow is powerful because it mirrors how tasks move through your day. Now make it yours. Rename the lists if you want and change the board background to a color or image that motivates you. Small visual tweaks can make your planner feel more inviting and keep you coming back to it. Add a card for each task you want to complete today. Keep titles short and action oriented like draft report or call client. Open a card to add a due date to create urgency, a description for keynotes, and a checklist to break bigger tasks into manageable steps. As you work, drag cards from to do to doing, then into done. Reorder cards to keep your top priorities at the top, and use labels or colors to group tasks by type or urgency. When you finish a task, move it to done. At the end of the day, archive completed cards to keep your board tidy. Do a quick daily review and choose your top 3 tasks for tomorrow so you start with clarity and momentum. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Trello tips and tutorials.